Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to the second part of our math lesson for today, where we are continuing by answering the question, how does acting it out help when solving problems about money? So we're starting to get into word problems now that deal with money, and so we're learning new strategies on how to solve those problems by acting it out using real money. Another thing that you can also do instead of, if you don't have dollar bills and coins at your home that you can use to help you solve word problems, you can also draw it out. So grab a piece of paper, grab a pencil, maybe even some crayons to kind of help you identify the different dollar bills and coins, and draw out the parts of the problem to help you solve that problem as well. So using real life money is definitely helpful. I think that that's probably the best solution in terms of trying to solve the math problems on your homework. But if you can also draw them out, that would also be very helpful too. So in this video, we're just going to do a couple of examples on how we can use money to kind of act out the problem that is being given to us, so that way we can solve it. So the first problem here says Kendra gave 2 dimes, 2 nickels, 1 quarter, and 2 $1 bills to the clerk for a puzzle. How much money did Kendra give the clerk? So it's saying, what do I need to find? So let's see what we need to find in this problem. We need to find how much money Kendra gave the clerk, right? That's kind of what we're trying to solve. She gave her all these coins, all these dollar bills, and we're trying to figure out just how much money she's paying for the puzzle, okay? And then it says, what information do I need to use? Okay, so we need to use the fact that she has 2 dimes. We need to use the fact that she has 2 nickels, 1 quarter, and 2 $1 bills. Okay, so now let's show how to solve the problem and show the money that Kendra used. So the first thing that we noticed is, again, that she gave the clerk 2 dimes. So we are going to bring over 2 dimes. Okay, and I'm gonna put them over here because I also want to kind of put them in order by value. Okay, so there's our 2 dimes. She also gave the clerk 2 nickels, and I know that nickels are worth less than dimes, so I'm going to put them on this side of the dimes. Okay, she also gave the clerk 1 quarter, so a quarter is more valuable than a dime. And then she also gave the clerk 2 $1 bills. So I'm just going to move these over a little bit so that way we can fit the dollar bills in there. So there's our $1 bill, and there's $2 bills. Okay? So that's all the money that she gave the clerk. Now that we've acted it out and we've kind of set up how much money Kendra gave, now we can actually use the money to count how much she gave the clerk. So we can start with the highest valued amount of money, which is the $2 bills. So right now we know we have $2, right? Then we can add the quarter, which is 25 cents. So now we have $2.25. Then we add the 2 dimes. So 2 dimes is 20 cents because each one is 10. Right? So we add those to the $2.25 that we already have. So $2.25, $2.35, $2.45. And then we lastly add the 2 nickels. And so remember, 2 nickels is equal to 1 dime. So we have 5 10 cents here, right? So we can add another 10 cents. So $2, $2.25, $2.35, $2.45, $2.50, $2.55. So the answer that Kendra gave the clerk is $2.55. Okay, and remember, that's how you would write it. So you would write a dollar sign, the dollars first, then the decimal point, and then the coins or the cents. Okay? So now we're going to move on to the next one. So again, we're going to think about what do I need to find and what information do I need to use. So it says use coins and bills to solve, show what you did. So Jacob has two $1 bills, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies in his pocket. How much money does Jacob have in his pocket? So again, what do I need to find? We need to find how much money Jacob has in his pocket. What information do I need to use? We need to use the information that he has $1 bill, he has 2 dimes, and he has 3 pennies in his pocket. Okay, so let's show the coins and bills that Jacob has in his pocket. So we're going to start with we're going to start with the two $1 bills. So he's got two $1 bills in his pocket. He also has 2 dimes in his pocket. So we're going to show our 2 dimes. And he has 3 pennies in his pocket as well. So let's show our 3 pennies. Okay, so now we've used all the information that we have. So now we can count the bills and coins to find out just how much money Jacob has in his pocket. So again, we have $2 bills, so we have $2. We have $2.10, $2.20, $2.21, $2.22, $2.23. So Jacob has $2.23 in his pocket, just written like that. Okay? So again, using money or drawing pictures of money can really help you solve for these kind of problems. Having that visual. Don't try and do it all in your head. Draw a picture or use real life money to help you figure these problems out, just like how we're doing right here. Okay, as you can see, like they've given us the option to use money, and so we're using it, right? We're not just taking this problem and trying to figure it all out in our head. Okay, 2 plus 2 dimes, that's just too complicated. So definitely try and give yourself a visual, again, whether it's real money or just drawing a picture. Okay, Amber used 2 quarters, 1 nickel, 1 dime, and 3 $1 bills to buy a toy. How much money did Amber use to buy a toy? So again, what do I need to find? We need to find how much money, what's the total that Amber spent to buy the toy. Okay, what information do I need to use? We need to use the fact that Amber used 2 quarters, a nickel, a dime, and 3 $1 bills. Okay, so now let's give ourselves a visual on what that would look like. So she used 2 quarters, so we're going to take our 2 quarters. Okay, she used 1 nickel, and she used 1 dime. And again, I'm putting them in order by value. And then for the bills, she used 3 $1 bills. So let's grab 3 $1 bills. And now that we have our bills and coins all set up and ready to go, now we can use the information that we have to help us solve for the answer. Okay, so let's start with our $3 bills. So we have $1, $2, $3. Okay, we have $3.25, $3.50, $3.60, $3.65. Okay, so to pay for the toy, Amber spent $3.65. Pretty good deal for a toy. $3.65. I wonder what kind of toy it was. Okay, and then our last problem is a multiple choice one. Okay, so again, it doesn't give us manipulatives to work with. So we would probably have to draw a picture for this one, right? If we don't have the opportunity to use real money, we would probably draw a picture. So I'm going to get ready to just draw a quick picture to figure this problem out. So Ross has 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 2 $1 bills. How much money does Ross have? So we need to find out how much money does Ross have. The information that we can use is that he has 2 quarters, he has a dime, and he has two $1 bills. So I'm going to make first my $1 bill. Again, I'm just drawing a picture. It's kind of hard to do with a mouse on a computer. But we have one $1 bill there, and then we have another $1 bill there. Okay? Then it says he has 2 quarters. So I'm going to make my 2 quarters, each 25 cents. Okay? And then he also has 1 dime, which is 10 cents. Okay? So again, that's how you can draw a picture. Right? If you don't have like real money that you can use, then just draw a picture like how I did. Okay? It is still effective, and you can still use it to help solve. Okay, so we have our 2 $1 bills, 2 quarters, and 1 dime. So now let's count up my money to see how much Ross actually has. So we have $2 bills, so $2. We have $2.25. Another 25 cents would be $2.50. And then the dime would be $2.60. So our answer for how much money does Ross have is option A, $2.60. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful for you. Hopefully you guys now understand how you can use real life money or draw pictures to kind of help you solve problems that are dealing with money. I think now you guys are good to go on your math homework for chapter 7.7, so you can log on to Think Central and complete your math assignment for today. Hope this was helpful, and good luck on your math homework, everybody. Bye.